Welcome to this tutorial on how to update your passport in Interactive Brokers. First, you will need to log in to your Interactive Brokers account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Management section by clicking on the appropriate link usually found in the main menu. Next, look for the options related to account information and documents. Here, you should find the option to update your personal identification documents. Click on this link to proceed to the Document Upload section. You will be prompted to upload a new copy of your passport. Make sure your passport scan is clear and readable, as low-quality images may not be accepted. After selecting your new passport file, follow the on-screen instructions to submit it. Ensure that you fill out any additional information that may be required. Once everything is completed, review your submission for accuracy before finalizing it. After submitting your updated passport, you will typically receive a confirmation notification. Keep an eye on your email or messages in your account for updates regarding the processing of your document. If you have any concerns or do not receive confirmation within a reasonable time frame, consider reaching out to Interactive Brokers customer service for assistance. Thank you for watching and good luck with your update.